Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jelly fruit easy guide. Gather fruit, sugar, pectin, and sterilize jars, and prepare a clean workspace. Wash and chop fruit, then simmer gently until soft. Strain solids through a cheesecloth or sieve to extract clear juice. We will test gelling temperature or the refrigerator set method to confirm readiness, and I will guide you through filling and sealing jars safely for storage. Start by washing and chopping your fruit into uniform pieces so cooking is even and predictable. Simmer fruit in a saucepan with a splash of water until fully softened and fragrant. Pass the cooked fruit through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to obtain a clear juice, discarding solids or reserving for other uses. Cool the juice slightly before measuring, then weigh or measure precisely so your sugar and pectin ratios will be accurate. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more simple kitchen guides. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice is perfect for keeping your car smelling fresh during farm runs and jelly deliveries, and it pairs humorously with fruity aromas. I picked this because a pleasant ride makes the process nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Mix measured fruit juice with the exact amount of sugar and pectin called for by your recipe to ensure proper setting. Bring the mixture to a full rolling boil and maintain it as required so pectin activates and sugar dissolves fully. Use a chilled plate test or a thermometer to check the gelling stage, then remove from heat immediately to avoid overcooking. Skim foam, ladle into jars, and seal them while hot for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.